Let's do some meal prep. Today I'm making some Greek pita bowls. As always, this is a protein-packed meal. I will list the calories and macros at the end. I'm gonna get my rice going first in my rice cooker. I just added half a tablespoon of turmeric, a bay leaf, and some pepper. Now I'm gonna dice up all my veggies. I'm doing 2 Roma tomatoes, which was 240 grams total, 100 grams of red onion, 1 large cucumber, which was 170 grams. I got this awesome vegetable chopper on Amazon. I know somebody will ask. I also barbecued some chicken thighs. I'm going to dice these up. I need 25 ounces total. The rice is all ready. It's time to fill the containers. I'm doing 4 ounces, which is about half a cup of rice in each container, 5 ounces of cooked boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm dividing up my diced vegetables evenly into each container, 2 tablespoons of hummus in each one, a little bit of paprika, 4 grams of fat-free feta cheese, 2 Kalamata olives, and my lunch is prepped for the week.